Are you tired of dealing with a leaky, outdated roof? Are you looking to enhance the curb appeal and protect your home from the elements? Welcome to FRS Roofing Gutters, your trusted partner for new roof installations in Lexington, Massachusetts. When protecting your home and ensuring its longevity, a sturdy and reliable roof is one of the most critical aspects. That's why our team of expert roofers is here to provide top-notch services tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're building a new home or replacing an aging roof, our team will ensure a flawless installation process from start to finish. From traditional asphalt shingles to durable metal roofing, we have the perfect solution for every home. We understand the unique climate challenges in the area, and ensure that your new roof is built to withstand the elements for years to come. Our commitment to quality, craftsmanship, and customer satisfaction sets us apart. When you choose FRS Roofing Gutters for your new roof installation, you can expect nothing but the best. So, call us today at 781-322-6252 to give your home the roof it deserves. You can also check www.frsroof.com/roof-replacement/Lexington to see how we can transform your roof into a durable and beautiful asset for your home. Celebrate peace of mind and the beauty of a well-protected home with FRS Roofing Gutters.